Snowflakes falling down, swirling in the sky. We all should get some and take them for a ride. But first we've got to catch them with our hands now, don't you know? Put your hands out quick and hope they stick, then we'll head out to the snow. Slip, slide in.
Welcome to 1,000 Books Before Kindergarten Storytime. I'm Lisa Springer, Children's Librarian at the Kate Weiler Barrett branch of the Alexandria Library, and this is my friend Allie Gator. Say hi, Allie. Allie loves 1,000 Books Before Kindergarten because Allie's picture is on the paper logs. If you don't have a paper log, or you're not signed up with our Beanstack app to count to 1,000 books, go to the website, visit the library, and get going. All the books that we read here count towards 1,000 books. All the books that you read at home count towards 1,000 books. And all the books you reread at home count towards 1,000 books. So it's really easy to get started. And speaking of getting started, what are we doing today, Allie? Do you have something in your mouth to show me? No? Well, what's going on then? Oh, Allie. Allie is crying alligator tears. Oh, Allie, what's the matter? Tell me. Come on. Tell Lisa. Oh, Allie is sad because we didn't get any snow. We were supposed to get snow today and we didn't get any. Instead, we got rain. So Allie is not only sad, Allie is grumpy. Allie had been planning on, you weren't going to really do it, were you? Allie was planning on making a snowball and bringing it to show you and then throwing it at me. That wouldn't have been nice. Oh, it's okay. I know you just were going to have fun. But you know, Allie, even though we don't have any snow on the ground, we can still think about snow. Because we have great snow books at the library, don't we? So today, we're going to have 2 snow books and a song about snow. Are you ready to get started? We are. Let's go. Okay, I do a lot of books by Nancy Teferi, but she didn't write this one. She just illustrated it. In the Snow, written by Sharon Phillips Denslow, illustrated by Nancy Teferi. I mean, I had to do this book. It's just perfect for right now. Oops, put the pages up there. In the Snow. Someone's coming in the snow, for the seeds left high and low, millet, thistle, corn dropped so. All that stuff down there, it's bird seed. Corn, you know about. Millet's a kind of grain. And thistle comes from a flower. And the little birds really like thistle very much. Here comes Chickadee. You might know Chickadee, the little black cap on their head. I bet you know Sparrow, because we have lots of them around here. Cardinal, big bright red boy cardinal. The mamas are the brown ones. And the biggest bird of all, crow. They are so much bigger than the other birds. And they are loud. You will hear them calling when they're around. They're not all. Someone's coming in the snow. Footprints and tails. Those aren't birds. Red squirrel and gray, climbing high and running low. Now you will see lots of gray squirrels around here, especially if you have a bird feeder. I don't think we have the red squirrels, though. You never know, though. Have to look it up. Oh, look who else is in the snow. Someone's coming in the snow. Bunnies hopping, soft and slow. Have you seen a rabbit around here? Maybe in one of the parks? I haven't, but you might have some. I would think we would probably have some. Oh, and somebody else. And I know we have these. Field mouse stops as shadows grow. I know we have mice because every once in a while they get into my house. And then my cat has a fun time of it. Last to show in the night, in the snow. Do you see somebody back there? This is an animal we have around here. I've seen them in Alexandria. Old Man Possum, eyes aglow. Dark shape crunching, seeds in snow. Yeah, it looks a little bit like some other animals, but you'll always see them because they're big and they've got those long hairless tails and those sharp noses. In the morning, in the snow, look who came and didn't go. There's somebody in the tree. I think he lives in that tree. Old Man Possum in the tree. Yeah, he's watching, isn't he? Waits for more seeds brought by me. Boy, that chickadee is hungry. It's getting very close to that boy. I'm not sure they would really do that, but you never do know. And there they all are, having their feast in the snow. Are there other animals that you see in your neighborhood? We see chipmunks, though usually not in the winter. And today, we looked out our window and we saw deer. And not just the girl deer, we saw the boy deer with the long horns. So keep your eyes open. You never know what you might see in the snow. And that is In the Snow by Sharon Phillips Denslow, illustrated by Nancy Tefuri, available here with lots and lots of other wonderful books about the snow at the Alexandria Library. This is by Kathy Reed Naiman, and it's based on an old Mother Goose rhyme. Rain on the green grass, rain on the tree, rain on the rooftop, but none on me. Instead today, it's going to be snow. So get your roof ready. We'll sing it slowly the first time, faster the second, and later on we'll stand up and do it as a stand-up rhyme. Snow on the rooftop, snow on the tree, snow on the green grass, snow on me. Mittens. Snow on my mittens, snow on my nose, snow on my head, and snow on my toes. Now make the snow swirl, whirling, swirling, twirling round, whirling, twirling to the ground. We're going to do it again. This time, we'll sing it faster. You ready? Snow on the rooftop. Snow on the rooftop, snow on the tree, snow on the green grass, snow on me, snow on my mittens, snow on my nose, snow on my head, and snow on my toes. Whirling, swirling, twirling round, whirling, twirling to the ground. We'll try it as a stand-up rhyme later. But first, we're going to read another book. This is by Mac Barnett, and the illustrations are by Sean Harris. And this is a really interesting style of illustration. It's cut paper, I think. It's a fun book. A Polar Bear in the Snow. A Polar Bear in the Snow by Mac Barnett, art by Sean Harris. There is a polar bear in the snow. Wait a second. Do you see a polar bear? Neither do I. I guess the polar bear's white, sort of white, and so's the page, so I guess you can't see him hiding in the snow. Maybe we'll see him. Oh, wait a second. That might be him. Still asleep, he lifts his nose to sniff the air. Can you sniff the air? Good sniffing. And he awakens. There he is. Eyes, nose, mouth. There's that polar bear. You want to see the whole polar bear? There he is. There is a polar bear in the snow. Where is he going? Is he going to visit the seals? Oh, I don't think the seals want him to come visit. Do you? Do they look scared to you? Yeah, they're probably going, "Arr, arr, arr, arr. Let's get out of here. Here comes Polar Bear." But no, he's not hungry. He's going away. Well, that's good. He didn't bother the seals. Is he going to hunker in a cave? Do polar bears hibernate? Yeah, they kind of do. But he can go out if he wants to. No. His fur protects him from the storm. Oh, look at all those cute little foxes in there. They're nice and safe. Maybe they're wolves. I can't tell for sure. But they're hiding safe in that cave, aren't they? Is he going to meet a man? Uh-oh. I don't think so. He goes, "Rrrr," and no! Oh, run away as fast as you can if you see a polar bear, especially one that's growling like that. There is a polar bear in the snow. Where is he going? Oh, look at all that beautiful blue water. He can see himself in it. He is going to the sea. He's diving into that cold, 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 cold water. Oh my. He wants to play. Look at him. He's having a good time swimming, isn't he? Oh, how beautiful. All of those things in the sea. And the sun shining down on the sea. That's beautiful. I like that picture. And when he's done playing, he climbs back into the snow. Where will he go then? Who knows? That's the end. I think that this is a really cool style of art. It's made pretty much with cut paper. I think he might have used a little bit of ink to smudge on that nose and a few other things, but a lot of this book is made out of cut paper. And I think that would make you a great art project. Snowy day, rainy day, whatever kind of day. A Polar Bear in the Snow by Mac Barnett, illustrations by Sean Hewitt, available with lots more Mac Barnett books at the Alexandria Library. We're going to sing Snow on the Rooftop again, but this time we're going to do it standing up. So make your roof, and we'll sing it slowly the first time, a little more quickly the second time. Snow on the rooftop, snow on the tree, snow on the green grass, snow on me. Where are your mittens? Snow on my mittens, snow on my nose, snow on my head, and snow on my toes. Are you ready to spin? Whirling, twirling, swirling round. Go the other way. Whirling, twirling to the ground. Yeah. Spin all the way around and land on the floor. Let's do it again. We'll do it fast this time, or faster at least. Snow on the rooftop, snow on the tree, snow on the green grass, snow on me, snow on my mittens, snow on my nose, snow on my head, and snow on my toes. Whirling, twirling, swirling round, whirling, twirling to the ground. Nicely done, everybody. Good spinning. It's time to say goodbye, Allie. I know you don't like saying goodbye, but we'll see everybody next week. And in the meanwhile, we're going to hope that they have a great week, that they read lots of really good books and track them in their 1,000 books list, and that they have fun, no matter what the weather is. Let's sing one more song. Can you help us? Goodbye, everybody. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Goodbye, everybody. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed, my darling. Stay well and happy. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Stay well and happy. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed, my darling. What do we say? Can you say, see you later, alligator? See you later, alligator. And you know what Allie's saying? In a while, crocodile. Thank you so much for being here, everybody. Bye. See you next time. We love you. Bye.
Spin around on hills of white, slip sliding, with your boots or in your shoes, slip sliding. It's the winter thing to do. It's the winter thing to do. It's the